Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very quick video for you because I just want to show you how I have been doing my brows off camera, and I just decided this is how I'm going to do my brows from now on. I usually conceal my brows to appear a lot smaller because I am growing them out, so I was just covering up any of the new growth, but now I'm just going to embrace it because they are a lot fuller now. And if you are into this and want to see how you can create this bushy brow, then please keep watching. If you're new to this channel, my name's Stephanie and I hope that you're here to stay, so please hit the subscribe button and also leave a comment dropping your name, letting me know you're new. I would love to chat with you in the comment section. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay, so to start off this brow tutorial, which is very needed, as you can see I do have just a fuller brow, however it is really sparse. That is because I'm in the process of growing out my eyebrows, so everywhere I always had hair is a lot darker than those new spots. So we are trying to get that full brow in effect. Hopefully by summertime. I am using a product that I'm trying out to see if it helps to grow the brows a little faster. I think a brow typically takes about 6 months to grow in all the way, but because of the lifetime of tweezing and waxing and whatever may have gone on your brows, that can cause certain spots to be patchy and not grow. So I am using some products to try to help see if it works. I will leave all the information down below on this product right over here. I do plan on doing a results blog post on my blog, which is lifehappenslee.com. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys if this product even works so that you can purchase if it works and not waste your money if it doesn't work. Okay, so for the products that we're going to use today, I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is just the best texture for your eyebrows. I really love how the texture is a bit on the drier side, so you don't have the slippery brow, the shiny brow, whatever. And my color is number 4. And then I'm trying out a new product. Well, I've already tried this out, but I'm showing you guys a new product. As you guys have seen in my previous video, I love the Micro Pen by L'Oreal. I decided I wanted to give this a try and see if I love their product. At this moment, I don't have a review for you because I've only used it once so far, but I can say I wish I did get a darker shade. This is light brown. I'll also be using a product that I saw Desi use, Desi Perkins, and I was thinking, why have I not used that product? Because it is so obvious and I couldn't believe that I needed someone to tell me to use this. It is the brow stencils. Mine are from Anastasia Beverly Hills. However, you can find a bunch of brow stencils on Amazon. Just look for a brow stencil kit and you'll have like different options. You want to just make sure your brows are going in the right direction. I'm going to pick up my stencil and just place it just like that. Then I'm going to go in with a tiny brush. This brush is by Marc Jacobs and it's the smudge brush, which is exactly what we're going to be doing. I'm just going to smudge the outline. So basically just to get the shape of the brow. And then I do a quick wipe since I'm going to be using the same stencil, and I'm just going to flip it. I don't want to get any of that eyeshadow on my skin, and make sure that all our points are the same. Now we're going to use our Benefit pencil, and I'm just going to lightly twist it up and start filling in the shape we just created. And then the same thing in the front. So like if I wasn't talking and trying to show you guys how to do this, you can see that this would be a really fast brow. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer and my flat top brush. This one is my MAC brush, and this is the 219 from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with this concealer from Pat McGrath. It's the M17, and I'm just going to get a little bit right underneath the arch. And to finish it up, I'm just going to use this micro pen. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini brow tutorial and you found a few tips in this tutorial that's going to make your brow journey a lot easier. I would definitely keep you guys posted on whether the brow serum works or not. You will also see that my brows will be a lot fuller, which will hopefully lead to a less time consuming routine. That is what I'm all about these days. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also use the comment section to leave any requests that you may have. I am glad to fulfill those for you. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next video, stay beautiful.